we the boys of the summer. Roll the windows down when we in your town. You know we the boys of the summer. Everybody.
Angel Hills, 6'10", 260, freshman, Compton High School, #1 in the nation. Let's go.
So, where do you plan on playing in the next couple of years?
I plan on playing on UCLA for the next my freshman year, then going straight to the pros.
What team do you look forward to playing on in the pros?
The Alabama Shake and Bakes.
Nice. They're a pretty solid team.
Yes, they are.
I think you'd be a good asset.
Thank you.
This is the incorrect way to shoot at an angle. Here is the correct way to shoot at an angle. So, can you tell us how your shots today related to physics?
Well, my first shot, it was a little flat. I didn't have much arc on it. The angle's a little off. But my second shot, I really focused on getting the angle right so I could make the basket and put it in the hole.
My name is John the Savage Cusick, and I'm a 13th year student at Poly High School.
So, John, what do you do in your life?
Well, seeing that I grew up on a country farm in the city, one could say that I'm quite the average bow and arrower.
Okay, okay. And I heard reports that you are also an expert in physics. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Well, yes, I am one of the many genii of physics, you could say.
Thank you. Shot number 1.
Safety first. Oh! Thought I saw a chicken.
Shot number 2.
Holy, that was a beauty. Let's go check it out. Oh, yeah, some nice groupings. That's what you get with proper physics.
So how did physics relate to your archery?
Well, you see, I use kinematics in 2 dimensions, specifically those with shots with angles. Now, by using the proper angle in those 2 dimensions, I could achieve my desired shot.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, my name is Victor. I am from the Dominican Republic. I'm here to play baseball. As you can tell, I'm a baseball player, and I am 12.
So Victor, do you have a last name?
It's Victor.
So your name is Victor Victor?
No, it's just Victor. Yeah, that's it, Victor.
Okay, okay. Where do you plan on going to school?
I'm here to play baseball. I don't care about school. I just play baseball, that's it.
You just...
Just baseball!
Okay, okay. My bad. So, Victor, I heard reports that you're projected to go late 30th round in the draft this year?
I'm going number 1.
You're
Automatic number 1.
Okay, okay.
My father told me if I don't go number 1, I don't get the ladies. I need the ladies.
Okay, thank you. Take 1. Take 2. So, I heard you went first round. Tell me about that and what team you went to.
Yeah, so after my experiences in America, I went to college in the UCLA, and there I had a physics teacher. He taught me like how to throw the ball at more different angles, how to throw faster, how to throw further by using the trajectory. And after I learned those things, I go number 1 in the draft. I buy this car.
This car.
Do you think it's a nice car?
Very nice car. Thank you.
So one, if I just want to give the speed and direction, or the magnitude and the direction for this vector quantity, I have just specified it. I could just say my velocity, or my initial velocity is 10 meters per second at 45 degrees, to the horizon or something like that. So that would be a legitimate velocity specification. But it's kind of hard to deal with. So what I'm going to teach you is something very neat about vectors, is that you can actually break up a vector into I don't want to introduce too complicated terms, but into its orthogonal components. So you can say, well, something moving at 10 meters per second at this angle is actually moving at some speed upwards. It's moving at some speed upwards, and it's moving at some speed, in this case, to the right. Let's say in the positive direction, right? So if you imagine this coordinate axis, it's moving in the y direction at some speed, and it's moving in the x direction at some speed. And when they're combined, it's some way you get this angle, or you're moving at kind of an incline. So how do I figure out if I have 10 meters per second and I'm moving? How do I break that down into my vertical speed and my horizontal speed? And I'll show you that it's actually pretty cool. It's pretty straightforward. You can